taxi booked in half an hour to take us to Birmingham Airport because today we are going on
holiday.
Finally, yes, to Madeira. So we're going to Funchal for a few days and we're so looking forward to it. We're staying in a bed and breakfast in Funchal, right in the centre, because I thought it's gonna be easy for us just to walk around, do what we don't have to take buses or taxis. We're just there in the centre. But yeah, obviously we're going to do a couple of excursions. So we're doing a
Jeep tour.
Yeah, we're doing a jeep tour around the island.
And boat trip.
And yeah, boat trip to see some whales. Hopefully we'll see some whales. And obviously if we've got time, we're going to have to do the gondolas. But yeah.
I'm excited. I've been looking forward to this holiday for so long.
Yeah. But anyway, we've been to Madeira before, but we've never flown, only on the cruise. So apparently the airport is the runway is a bit of a dodgy landing apparently, so I've heard. So that'll be an interesting experience. Anyway, fingers crossed, everything will go to plan. Yes.
Yep.
Okay, well, we'll see you en route. Also, do you want to say hello to Fifi? This is our little cat. Well, she's not little.
She's a little fatty.
She's a little fat, so yeah. So this is Fifi. So she's staying at home. She's so yeah. She doesn't like catchers.
Talking about the taxi.
What?
Just had a text. Taxi's been dispatched.
Really? Half an hour early?
Yeah. I mean, you can't fault with that.
Anyway, so we're gonna miss Fifi.
Good one, honey.
Yeah. We've recently lost our other cat, Lola. So I think Fifi's missing her. Now she's going to miss us as well for a few days. But she'll be fine. Yeah. She might just like the peace and quiet from us. Oh, look at her baby. Anyway, so yeah, apparently the taxi's on its way, so we've got to get ready.
Let me get my phone.
Bye. And it's windy.
It's not raining.
Yeah, it's not, but it's windy.
There's a bit of a queue, and by a bit I mean a lot.
The queue to check in is a mile long. What time is it now?
4:07.
4:07. Okay, let's see how long it takes us to drop our bags off. Right, so we're next. How long's that taken us? What time is it?
So past.
Exactly, yeah, exactly past. Yeah, so not long. But it's self-checking, so I hate doing this because I always think I'll get it wrong. I don't know. Okay, we've dropped our bags off. It took exactly how long?
Well, it's 4:39 right now.
Yeah, so half an hour.
Half an hour.
Yeah. Let's go get some breakfast. What time is it, Olivia?
4:58.
4:58, just gone through security. So yeah, it's basically taking us an hour now, duty free. Always smells so good going through duty free.
It does.
We never buy anything though. Cheers. Happy holidays.
We're on. Oh, that's cold. Okay.
How's the leg room?
Good. Oh.
What number are you?
3.
F.
E or F?
F.
The window seat.
I'm happy. Earlier, Olivia said, let's play rock, paper, scissors, and whoever loses has got to clap at the end. Who lost, Olivia? Oh, who lost, Olivia? Are you going to clap at the end?
No.
Yeah, you are.
No.
Yeah, you are. But you're the one who said you to do it.
I know, however,
Are you embarrassed?
I'll see how I feel at the end.
Don't know if you heard any of that, but we can't land in Madeira.
Yeah.
So we're off to Tenerife, and we're going to see what happens once we land in Tenerife. Hey ho!
following all the details, we have been advised to have another go at Funchal. Understandably, the weather's varying quite a bit, so the wind is increasing and decreasing at various times. So they have asked us to give it another go. So we're just going to start the planning for fueling up and giving Funchal and Madeira another go. We'll keep an eye on the weather, of course, and we'll keep you updated. The signal signs are off, so you're free to get up and about, do break. So bear with us. Thank you very much for your patience. We'll get the fuel on as soon as we can, get a plan ready, and we'll be underway as soon as we can. So we'll be ready to go, and we're expecting a flight time of just under 55 minutes back to Madeira. We'll keep an eye on the weather, and we'll keep you updated as we progress further. So again, thanks very much for your patience. I hope you understand the reasons, and we'll try and give it another go. So bear with us, and we'll talk to you a little bit later.
Welcome to Funchal, where the local time is the same as the UK and it is nearly 3 p.m. For your safety, please do remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Now that we've left the runway, you can use your handheld electronic devices. Before leaving us today, please check your seat pocket under the seat in front of you and in the overhead compartments for any items that might otherwise be left behind. Please take care when opening the overhead compartments to ensure that nothing falls out that may have moved in flight. Any lost property will be handed to the airport team here in Madeira. If you are given an additional seatbelt or life vest, please leave these on the aisle seat as you leave the aeroplane. Those customers who have requested assistance, please remain seated until all of the customers have disembarked. We'll then be free to assist you further. Please have your passports and relevant completed documentation ready for the immigration authorities. And as a reminder, smoking is not allowed. This includes electronic cigarettes. Once the aeroplane has stopped, the cabin crew will take a few moments to focus on carrying out their safety duties. We will then come back to give further information on which doors will be used to leave the aeroplane. We do hope you have a fantastic holiday here. Thank you for your patience with our delay today. Thank you for flying with TUI Airways, and a very good afternoon to you all.
Right, we made it, finally made it. What time is it, Olivia?
26.
26, so was that about 8 hours, 9 hours, something like that to get here? But we've got here, and look how windy it is, it's so windy. Anyway, we're waiting for our transfers. Oh my god, it's very windy. Anyway, yeah, waiting for our transfers. We need something to eat because we haven't eaten since breakfast. We're starving, Marvin.
So it's 16 years, 2 years per day.
Oh, look at this. Oh, you can hear them doing the work. It smells like we're the first people that have stayed in here. Let's have a look. I don't think there's going to be much of a view. Oh. It's not bad.
No, not bad at all.
Well, we've just checked in. We've got one of the brand new rooms because they're redeveloping the hotel. And they did warn us at booking, when I booked the hotel, that there is work going on. And I was like, do you know what? I don't care. But we can hear the noise. I don't know if it's picking it up. But yeah, finally we're here. I'm so happy, absolutely happy. It was a bit of a, I'm not going to say nightmare getting here, but it kind of was-ish. It would have been if we didn't get here.
That would have.
Yeah. Probably ended up in Tenerife if we didn't try second time round. But aren't you grateful that there weren't any children and babies on the plane?
I think.
There was absolutely no crying, no screaming. And when the pilot announced that he couldn't land, so we were on our way to Tenerife, there wasn't any, everyone was like, okay, well, you know, we'll deal with it.
Yeah.
There wasn't any bad vibes.
No.
And then when we were asleep, when we landed in Tenerife, we were there, I don't know how long, about an hour. Yeah, on the tarmac, just waiting. They had to refuel because we didn't have enough fuel to get back to Madeira and possibly circle a few times. But yeah, the plane was quiet because everyone was asleep.
Including Mom.
Yeah, I was.
Photos.
Did you?
I did indeed.
Anyway, so they gave us a welcome drink at check-in just now, so cheers. Oh, that's good. But we need to go and find something to eat now because I'm actually hungry. I can see the gondolas from our room.
Can you?
So yeah, I actually chose this hotel for the location. That's why I wasn't really too bothered about the noise, because it's not going to be happening when we're asleep. It's during the day, and we're not here during the day.
Exploring.
Apart from now, obviously. But yeah, let's get changed. I need to put some shorts on. And let's go and get something to eat. Well, I'm not going to do a room tour other than 2 beds.
A light that moves.
What's that? Air conditioning, TV, table, desk, wardrobe space. Oh, she did say teas and coffees are here.
Yeah.
Shell. Oh, got a safe and a mini fridge as well. What do I tea? Oh, should have bought our own tea bags. I love a good Yorkshire tea. I should have bought some, never mind. shower room. So they used to be bathrooms, but they're changing them all into shower rooms. That is. Let's leave that open because I'm gonna walk in. Yeah.
Okay, we've got a hairdryer.
Yeah, hairdryer. That's good. That still looks like one of the old hairdryers though. But yes, I'm very happy with this. You happy, Olivia?
Just need to charge your phone.
Yeah. Oh, and she also did say if we haven't got any towels, any beach towels or any pool towels, we can borrow them from reception. I think she said a €10 deposit, but we get that back if we give the towels back. So we're going to have to do that because we didn't bring any towels. Okay.
I'm going to put some shorts on.
Okay. So this is the hotel terrace, and now we're going up to the swimming pool.
I just want to jump in.
We need a dip in there tomorrow morning.
100%. Be back before 8. Can I go in?
Oh, such a shame there's no cruise ships in today. There's a ferry or something. I can smell food.
That is lovely.
There's more steps up here. Let's see what's up here. Right, we've just walked up to this fort. We were here how many years ago? 10 years ago?
No.
Well, we were here last time we were here. But it didn't seem as if it was open last time we were here, and it's the same again. Anyway, we must miss it. Right, we're going to go back now because we walked past lots of little cafes and restaurants, so we're going to just do a lucky dip, choose one and eat.
Yeah. It's ran away.
Hello. We've got a little friend. He wants to share some of our dinner in a bit. You hot?
Roasting.
Obrigado. Obrigado.
Obrigado.
Cheers.
Mum's put me on a strict. Actually, no, it's not a strict. It's
No alcohol.
It's not a strict.
You've been poorly.
Yeah.
You can have one
A day.
alcoholic drink the whole holiday. So we sat in this little restaurant right outside the church, which is called, what's it called, Olivia?
Capella de Coprosanto is a small fisherman's chapel built in the 15th century and decorated with ceiling paintings and carvings.
Lovely. And what time does it open?
9:30 till 12:30 p.m. and then it's closed and then it's open again 2 to 6 p.m. You entice me? Hello. It doesn't like me, apparently.
Struggling to eat, even though we're so hungry. I think we're too hungry. And our little friend's desperate for food. How was that?
Huh?
How was that?
Stressful.
Why? So Olivia decided she wanted to go to the supermarket to get some snacks. So why was it stressful?
Because I went to self-checkout because people do their weekly food shop now. Or monthly, I don't know. So I go to self-checkout. The thing, I couldn't look for like Portuguese or Spanish to English. I'm like, oh God. And it was giving me stuff and I'm just like, so I go somewhere, I'm like, help, please. And then he goes,
Por favor.
huh?
Por favor.
I dropped Spanish for a reason, Mum. And yeah, he just...
It's Portuguese, not Spanish.
So, the language is very similar. He just wouldn't help. And then he just told me what buttons to press. And then I was like, I hope he hasn't overcharged me. He hasn't because I've checked the receipt.
What did you get?
I got... There was only ketchup flavoured Lays.
Yeah.
I got ruffles.
Okay.
Got 2 of them. I got these croissants because
They're not very croissant-y.
they're more
Cakey.
cakey. Because I really fancy fruit, got some pineapple chunks.
Cool.
And because we went into the shop earlier and Mum wanted tea, I got you a little box of breakfast tea.
Is it normal tea?
It's English breakfast.
Is that English breakfast?
English breakfast.
Cool. Good. Thank you.
No problem then. And that is well, I've got 2 bags of ruffles. And I spent €9. Well, £9 and 5p. Equivalates to €10 and 31 cents. No,
Whatever.
whatever.
It's fine. Well, we're currently sat on the terrace in the hotel. Beautiful, absolutely stunning. Thought about going swimming. The swimming pool, the rooftop swimming pool is literally, it's up there.
Is it full?
It's full, yeah. So,
It's closed then.
I know, but
As long as
everyone's,
you're not causing a nuisance.
well no, everyone's just chilling in the pool and outside. Do you know what? There's no sunbeds.
Oh.
There's nowhere to sit, so yeah. Anyway, I'm too tired now. I want a cup of
And
tea and
also-
go to bed.
I actually want to stay out here for a little bit.
Make me a cup of tea and bring it down for me then.
Hang on. Bring it up for me.
Whatever. I don't know where we are. Yeah, bring it up for me, please.
Right. Do you want me to?
Oh, if you would.
Because I'll get myself my drink.
She's lovely. She's going to go back to the hotel room and make her mummy a cup of tea. Don't forget my bank card. What do you need?
Room key.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Are you not taking those?
No. There you go.
Oh, thank you, my darling.
It's okay. It's hot.
Thank you. Right, so that was a very eventful first day anyway. But we are here, and that's the main thing.
We have arrived.
Yes. Well, arrived a few hours ago. Exhausted. We've had a lovely dinner. We've explored a little bit. Now Olivia's made me a cup of tea. Cheers. We're going to sit and chill for a bit and then go to bed, because tomorrow we have got a jeep tour around the west coast of the island. Can't wait for that. So,
We get to jump in a lagoon.
hopefully.
Hopefully.
Yeah. Okay, well, love you and leave you. Good night.
Good night.